Looking for a practical and versatile garden tool? If so, you must have a Hori Hori garden knife. It's a Japanese garden knife used for planting, cutting, digging, transplanting, and weeding. In addition to serving many functions in your garden, it can also measure soil depth when sowing seeds and planting bulbs. If you are looking for a new garden knife or your old one has given up, here is a review of the 6 best Hori Hori garden knives. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present Top 5 Best Hori Hori Garden Knives. Let's get started. Number 5. Fiskars Hori Hori Garden Knife. The Fiskars 3401301001 Hori Hori Garden Knife is an excellent gardening tool for beginners or experienced gardeners. It is the best and earns our top pick. This high-quality Hori Hori knife is for those looking for a reliable, durable, and strong gardening tool. This blade is made out of high-quality stainless steel that is rust-resistant. The serrated edge is perfect for sawing through the thick growth, and the fork at the tip is ideal for easier weed digging. The knife is easy to use and holds its sharpness for a long time. It comes with an extended tang handle that provides added leverage and durability when digging. The handle has a comfortable grip and is ergonomically designed for increased control. It is lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle daily gardening and farming work. It comes in a handy hard plastic sheath for easy storage and portability, protecting the knife from dirt and water. Number 4. Gardel Hori Hori Gardening Knife Tools. Gardel Hori Hori Garden Knife is a good garden knife for beginners. It is an excellent multipurpose garden tool suitable for many gardening tasks. The blade is made of stainless steel, rust-resistant, sturdy, and durable. This knife is equipped with 2 working edges that are sharp on both sides. The serrated edge on one side can be used for sawing. The other side has a blade that is great for cutting. The handle is made of strong and durable wood that is lightweight and will not weigh you down. The handle is a full tang, meaning the stainless steel blade material runs through the entire handle and is secured with 3 rivets, adding strength and stability. The leather protective sheath adds an extra layer of safety and prevents accidental injuries when carried around. Number 3. Gardel Hori Hori Gardening Knife. Gardel Hori Hori Garden Knife is a good garden knife for beginners. It is an excellent multipurpose garden tool suitable for many gardening tasks. The blade is made of stainless steel, rust-resistant, sturdy, and durable. This knife is equipped with 2 working edges that are sharp on both sides. The serrated edge on one side can be used for sawing. The other side has a blade that is great for cutting. The handle is made of strong and durable wood that is lightweight and will not weigh you down. The handle is a full tang, meaning the stainless steel blade material runs through the entire handle and is secured with 3 rivets, adding strength and stability. The leather protective sheath adds an extra layer of safety and prevents accidental injuries when carried around. Number 2. Truly Garden Hori Hori Knife. The Truly Garden Hori Hori Knife is a great all-purpose cutting blade that can be used when you're out working in the garden. It also doubles as a mini shovel when you need one. This tool is more than just a knife. The knife is made of heavy-duty steel with 1 serrated edge for easier cutting. The knife features a full tang with 3 rivets for extra strength. This means that the blade is solid all the way through the handle. That's helpful for leverage and support, unlike many other knives that use a partial tang. The handle also has a metal safety guard that prevents accidental cuts to your hand. The Truly Garden Hori Hori knife handle is made of beechwood, one of the toughest types of hardwood. This wood makes the handle very durable. The knife also includes a heavy-duty leather sheath with a belt loop that protects the blade while not in use. In addition, the knife comes with a diamond sharpening rod to keep the blade sharp and a 5-year warranty. Number 1. Nasaku NJP 650 Hori Hori Garden Knife. Nasaku NJP 650 Hori Hori Garden Knife is a Japanese-designed and crafted knife for gardening and outdoor activities. It is the perfect garden tool for any gardener. The knife features a robust, durable, and rust-proof Japanese stainless steel blade. The knife is lightweight and comes with a sturdy handle. The blade is concave, making digging and planting easy. It has a sharp beveled edge for slicing and a serrated opposite edge for cutting tree limbs. The blade has inch and millimeter markers engraved to ensure that the planting and seeding are done at the correct depth. The wooden handle has only a partial tang but is comfortable and long-lasting. The handle is slightly expanded towards the blade. However, it lacks a safety guard. The knife comes with a sheath made from soft material that protects the blade when not in use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.